Hi, what's up and welcome back to our channel. Welcome back to a new vlog. I feel like I'm vlogging after ages, which is probably true. 2021 में मैंने last vlog किया था. It's 2022 already. Jan भी end हो रहा है. By the way, how is 2022 treating you? Is it good? Is it not good? For me, it was good also, it was not good also. The first week of Jan was really good. I was doing a lot of things that I really wanted to do, which you will see, by the way, what I'm talking about throughout the week. And after that, I felt sick. My stomach was upset, took medicines for that. Uske baad, I got fever, cold, cough, took medicines for that. By the way, when I was having fever, cold, cough, इसके ऊपर मेरे को periods भी हो गए. So I was in living hell. My whole body was aching. I was so much in pain and it's annoying because सबके लिए मुझे medicines खाने पड़ रहे थे and I hate it. Yeah, so finally I'm feeling a little better now. I still have a little bit of sore throat, but still I'm fine now. Finally, after a lot of suffering, I'm finally okay. Abhi I'm fine, so I'm thinking to do a little bit of gardening. Abhi 4 बज रहे हैं and all my morning chores are done. I bought these plants 1 year पहले and मैंने अभी तक उनका soil change नहीं किया है. 1 year और एक रेनी सीजन भी विथस्टैंड कर लिया है एंड नाउ आई एम फीलिंग दैट द सॉइल हैज ड्रेन्ड आउट, द लीव्स आर फॉलिंग एंड द प्लांट्स आर नॉट लुकिंग एज गुड एज इट वाज बिफोर. सो आई एम प्लानिंग टू चेंज अप द सॉइल एंड जस्ट रिफ्रेश इट, पुट सम मोर गुड स्टफ ingredients in them. I've bought all of that stuff और बहुत टाइम हो गया सब लाके. अभी तक मुहूर्त निकला नहीं है बेसिकली. फाइनली टुडे हैव डिसाइडेड कि आज तो करना ही है बिकॉज बहुत टाइम से लाके मैंने वो स्टफ रखा हुआ है एंड द प्लांट्स आर इन डायर नीड. सो let's do some gardening today. Okay, I have all the stuff ready over here. The first thing I'm going to do is repot my fiddle leaf fig. इसके सारे roots बाहर आ रहे हैं, नीचे से भी वो roots बाहर आ रहे हैं. तो basically this pot is too small. I'm going to repot it into this big thing. I have all the stuff that I need. Let's start.
One eternity later.
So this is the aftermath. I took care of a lot of plants though, which I'm very happy about, but I need to clean this and I'm so tired. I don't want to do this, but I have to. I don't know where to start. the whole area is all clean. Now I can finally rest. I am back from the gym all sweaty and gross. And I didn't take a lot of footages over there because I'm still new at this gym. So thoda awkward ho jata hai. Also, my form and posture is not really that great. I'm still learning all of that. And if I put a lot of footages, people will be like, oh my god, look, she doesn't even know what she's doing. Yes, I don't know what I'm doing. I'm still learning, by the way. So yeah, that's the reason I didn't take a lot of footage. Right now, I genuinely want to wash my hair. It's so gunky and gross. It's been quite some time haven't washed my hair. So ये करना है. And the products I'll be using today is from the brand Kayos. I have the whole bundle, by the way. I have the shampoo, conditioner, as well as hair gel. And when you get this whole bundle, you also get a brush free. This is a wet detangling brush, which is amazing, budget friendly hai. Plus, you literally have everything you need to start your own curly hair journey. I've been using these products for quite some while now. I think एक month के ऊपर हो गया है. So I thought I'll give you guys a little review about these products. First, let's talk about the shampoo. Now, it's clearly mentioned that it's a clarifying shampoo and it removes buildup, which I totally agree. It's CG friendly, does not have any parabens and sulfate, and it thoroughly cleanses my scalp without over drying it, which I really like. The consistency is not super thick, and I absolutely love the fragrance. It does have a watermelon fragrance, so if you have sensitive nose, please keep that in mind. And yeah, I just like to take a dollop size amount, mix some water, and apply it on your scalp. Next, let's move on to the conditioner. And I kid you not, this conditioner has amazing slip and it pairs really well with the shampoo. I feel you can definitely mix and match with other products as well, but these two together works amazing and has definitely been my favorite go-to products. Recently, my hair wash routine has been really quick and simple. Just shampoo and conditioner on majority of the days, and stylus I like to save it for days where I really want my hair to look good. जब मैं shoot कर रही हूँ, otherwise if I'm going out, only on those cases I'll use a styler. So yeah, these products have been my go-to and I really like them, so I would highly recommend these. So I'm gonna hop in the shower now, use shampoo and conditioner, wash off my hair, and styling part I'll do it with you guys. So I'll be back. Okay, I just got out of the shower. My hair feels fresh and clean and it smells so freaking good. Now I'm gonna style my hair. For that, I'm gonna use Kayos flaxseed hair gel. Now I have used and reviewed this product on my channel. I'll link it for you guys above, and my views have definitely not changed. It's the exact same product, just the packaging has changed. I'm gonna use this much amount all over my hair. Now they don't have a separate leave-in conditioner in their range. They just have this flaxseed gel. So this is supposed to act as a leave-in conditioner and gel. Also, they have mentioned that this gives long-lasting curls and elongating curls, which I totally agree. The curls last really long time, as well as the curls are definitely more elongated than voluminous. So just keep that in mind. Also, this gives a really nice gel cast hold, which is really good because it holds the curls in place. I'm just gonna scrunch that in. Okay, I've applied the product. Next, I'm gonna use this brush which comes along with the product. Now, this is amazing. This is great to detangle your hair wet. This is great to detangle your hair when it's dry and also to style your hair. So, it definitely is multifunctional. And this, as you can see, moves. And you can remove this, by the way. Let me show you. This is going to be a little difficult because I've already adjusted it. You can make it wider by just sliding this down. This is removable and adjustable. So this thing moves. So when you're like detangling your hair, you don't have to tug on it because this will stretch. So it won't pull and tug on your hair. So I really like this brush, by the way. I'm going to style my hair now. First, I obviously like to detangle my hair quickly just to make sure there are no knots when you style your hair. Okay, next. I'm gonna hold this at an angle shake, 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 and scrunch. And because it's such a nice big brush, you can take a good chunk of section. So ये थोड़ा जल्दी भी हो जाता है, which I like. Okay, shake and scrunch. Give it a good scrunch. Let's do the rest of the hair now. I'm gonna let this air dry now, and after I think an hour or so, I'll blow dry my hair completely dry. Once that is done, I'll be back to show you guys the result.
2 hours later.
I am back and my curls are 100% dry. I know it's looking like it's not 100% dry because it does give a wet curly hair look, but it is 100% dry. कल थोड़ा और dry होके और थोड़ा poof हो जाएगा, but this is how it's looking for now. As I said earlier, it does give a nice elongated curls. My curls are looking so long, and usually it's like this much. But because of this product, it definitely elongates the curls. And it's super defined. Can you see the definition? No frizz at all and super defined curls. The results that I got. My hair is looking so soft and bouncy and nicely moisturized. No frizz at all. I really like the results. From the whole collection, the shampoo and conditioner are definitely my favorite. I would highly recommend it, and I'll leave all the links in the description down below. You should definitely check it out.
The next morning.
So Ajinkya has an off and I took a half day, so I thought raat ko let's do a quick date night. Throughout the week we usually don't get time at all. काम में वो अपने काम में लगा हुआ रहता है. I am in my own work and कब रात हो जाता है समझ में भी नहीं आता. Today he has an off, so I thought let's make use of it. और weekend तो obviously कहीं ना कहीं तो जाने में निकल जाता है या फिर जो भी chores होते हैं वो करने में निकल जाता है. So I thought let's do a date night and I've got ready and everything. This hairstyle, I tried to do a nice clean bun and clean makeup, nothing too much, very minimal. I don't know if this is looking cute on me or not. Let me know in the comments down below. But I tried this model of duty kind of a look. Not sure whether it's looking good on me or not. I'm all ready and now we're gonna head out. I think we're gonna go to Oberoi Mall most probably, and then we're gonna head out to eat. हम लोग मेरे favorite restaurant जाने वाले हैं, which I'll show you guys in a while. So yeah, let's go. यहाँ पर कोई दिख नहीं रहा है गाइस, चालू है, रोलर कोस्टर चालू है and he's crying to do it. Please ना चल ना. बहुत ज़्यादा लेट हो चुका है. It was so cold. We were freezing while coming back. आज का दिन एक्चुअली थोड़ा ख़राब था because I so wanted to have dinner in stir fry grill, but बहुत ज़्यादा क्यू था वहाँ पर. एंड 10 बजे बाय द वे सब कुछ बंद हो जाता है. हम लोग 9:30 को वहाँ पहुँचे एंड स्टिल दे स्टॉप रिजर्वेशन बिकॉज बहुत ज़्यादा लाइन था एंड दे वुड हैव हैड टू एक्सटेंड अ लॉट. एंड 10 बजे सब बंद करना होता है, लाइक पुलिस एंड ऑल दे स्टार्ट कमिंग, सो दे स्टॉप रिजर्वेशन एज वेल. तो वहाँ पर तो बिल्कुल भी नहीं मिला. एंड बहुत सारी जगह पे वी ट्राइड, everywhere it was the same story. Finally we got one place in Persia Darbar. I have been there before, so I know वहाँ का खाना अच्छा है and it was really good, so I would highly recommend if you want to visit there. I'm gonna end the vlog over here because ये vlog मुझे edit करके upload करना है soon. And yeah, I'll see you guys in my next video. Yeah, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe कर देना, share कर देना, do all that good stuff. You already know what to do, right? And yeah, I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.
I had a dream, we were sipping whiskey neat. I used to floor the Bowery when I was high enough.
Spider-Man's control and Batman with his fist. And clearly I don't see myself upon that list.